Alright, this looks good. Let's get to work. So, camera is recording, and, alright. What do we have here? This way, I get DHL packages too often. But what is this? Redmi 2 Pro. Oh, interesting. Alright, so for those of you that don't know this is an affordable brand that's making its way into China that has specialized in bringing some really cool products. Alright, so let me see. What do we have here? I'm not able to see things from this angle because I have the display on this side. Refocusing the camera. And so we've got a case, really nice. Move this box out of the way. And then inside we have the Realme 2 Pro, which, oh wow. What color is this? This looks really cool. To do my homework on this phone because this finish is actually gorgeous, and there's a screen protector. There's a notch on this display. It's fairly small. Inside we have wall charger and USB. Micro USB connector with a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. That's something that's hard to find. This phone is actually thicker than normal, but okay. Realme is trying to make their way into India with affordable price tags, and this phone does not look affordable. It does not look cheap. It looks really, really nice. So, okay. I'll be giving it a try, and I'll let you know what I think, but so far it looks okay. This does not look affordable at all. Let me remove the screen protector because I hate screen protectors, and I apologize. Don't make fun of me. You know this is me. Come on. You can. And I could. There we go. Really nice. Alright, excited to get to work. I'll keep you posted on how this goes.